Are you tired of writing long, confusing sentences that leave your readers scratching their heads? Do you struggle to get your point across clearly and concisely? If so, then this video is for you. Proofreading for clarity and conciseness is essential for effective communication. By carefully reviewing your writing, you can eliminate unnecessary words, streamline your ideas, and ensure that your message is easily understood by your audience. When proofreading for clarity, focus on simplifying complex ideas, avoiding jargon, and using straightforward language. Cut out any redundant phrases or unnecessary details that may confuse your readers. Remember, less is often more when it comes to writing clearly. Conciseness is key to keeping your readers engaged. Avoid long-winded sentences and paragraphs that can cause your message to get lost. Instead, strive for brevity and precision in your writing to make a stronger impact. By following these tips and practicing regularly, you can improve your writing skills and create clear, concise content that resonates with your audience. So, next time you sit down to write, remember to proofread for clarity and conciseness to make your message stand out.